Hi everyone, this is NelsonJM. It's nice, but I want to do this live tutorial for those who are involved in the Neco 2026. Sorry for those who have been waiting for videos and responses on their comments, but I've not done that because I've been busy with a lot of other things that kept me very occupied. I'm going to do this video for those who are still new into the Neco system. I already did a video on the installations and the starting of the application, but I believe that a lot of people are having challenges in this regard. Don't worry, my video is going to be blank for now, but I would what you are seeing is my screen. I just go down an environment in a different environment. So that you will see what I'm looking at. I'll just increase. So if you look at I'm going to increase my system to processor to so the version of Windows 10 I'm running is actually a very light one. And as you can see, I have almost Windows 8 also, which means you can run your Neco on both Windows 8 and Windows 10. So I will go to start my operating system. So what you are seeing is actually a virtual environment. Short this now. I wanted to start the thing. So Windows 10 is actually the most preferred operating system to install applications on. Depending on what system speed, it's going to be fast or slow. I'll be responding from our company chat, our company account, which is Nelson. So I'll be responding from the company account so that you'll be able to view whatever you need. So as you can see, this is a very new installation of Windows 10. Let me change my view to scales. As you can see, this is a very tiny version of Windows 10. So one thing you need to pay attention to in Neco is the download. If you downloaded your software before February, then you are using a version that forces you to use inserts a thread course, but the version you want to install is a version that will not do that. So we go to under our exam, go to internet. This is a prompt. Neco is closing on the 25th of May, and then it says the last date for the session will be on the 29th of May. So, schools and cyber cafe operators, data capture operators, all of you take note of this. You click the downloads. I'm downloading the 64-bit because I'm running the 64-bit version of Windows. And if you are using the 32-bit version of your system, you can run the 32-bit version. So you can head over to my Windows 10 here. Because the version of Windows 10 I'm using doesn't have any application in it, including browsers. It doesn't have browsers. Try to install browser links. Download the code for so the code for Windows and its Windows version, Windows downloads. If that's not working, you just go to my Windows 10 and try to do a drag and drop, because we are trying to install the 2026 SSA we are looking for so it's actually 20. Yes. I'm still here. I don't do. Jesus. Okay. What I want to configure is the drag and drop so that I'll be able to be able to input virtual machine. Just share. Download out for share to host. Okay. Probably this will version of understand because it's having a bit of an issue. Understand the version that is too tiny, it comes with. So all we need is to access let's install.
Now I just said I'm working. You see what
Already,
I'm
I think he's still looking, but I'm not going there.
very proud.
I was going to wait for the tutorial because this space is too small for me to install. This space is too small for me to install even the browser on it. So I'll just create a better tutorial later. But it's actually a straightforward task if you have the I'm able to configure the system right now. Let me just see the boot button.